What up, what up, what up? Hey, boos. Oh my goodness. Welcome back. Welcome back to day 13 of our Declutter Challenge. Today's task is to organize your calendar. Look, losing track of important dates and appointments is it's really, really easy in our busy lives, okay? Because if you're not organized, okay, that's a problem. But by managing your calendar, you can reduce the stress and improve productivity. So that's why we're going to be talking about managing your calendar today. All right. So start by reviewing your calendar and ensure that all the events are up to date. Add any new appointments or events or anything that you may have missed. You can even color code it, right? So that you can make sure that you have everything that you need and it's visually appealing and readable. Now, this is the old-fashioned way. You could do this digitally, okay? I'm so serious. You can do all of this digitally, okay? So, your phones are amazing. You can do all of that digitally. All right, anyway. Next, review your calendar and see if there are any appointments that you need to cancel or reschedule. Okay. Prioritize your time, because your time is important. And sometimes you need to say no to some stuff because, no is a full sentence. And sometimes you overextend yourself. So just say no if it's something that you can just let it go. Right. And finally, set reminders for upcoming appointments and events so that you could remember them, right? You can use your phone's app. Like I was saying, you can do this with your phone. You can use a reminder app, on your computer or whatever. So like when I'm at work, Outlook is my favorite thing because they are PC people. And, I can set my reminders in Outlook for different things. And then, of course, I have that also tied to my phone. So I always know when appointments are coming up and all this other kind of stuff. So you could do it the old fashioned way, like this gal right here with the Post-it notes. That would drive me insane. But hey, you do you, boo. You do you. Anywho, of course, I created a little something for you. Okay, in the guide on day 13, it has a little blurb here where it says update and organize your calendar, right? And so on there you can write some updates and different things. You know what? Better yet, write it in your calendar. This is a little place that you can write some reflections. How do you feel after you did that? Okay, I'm hoping that after you got your stuff organized, that you feel like this young lady right here, okay? Where you're like, oh, this is A-okay. I got this. Anywho, thank you so much for joining me today. Today is the 13th day of our Declutter Challenge. We will see you tomorrow with another task to help simplify your life. Now, remember, don't forget to update and organize your calendar. And don't forget to go ahead and get your guide. You can get the guide by going to lbcbranding.link/declutter and go ahead and grab that guide, right? And follow along with us as we go along this journey. Now, also click the like button. If you're digging this and you want to keep going, click the like button and subscribe to the channel so that you won't miss a thing. Also, share your progress with us on social media with the hashtag Declutter Challenge. So, without further ado, I'm going to say deuces. We'll see you tomorrow.